Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So, more car parts. So I'm slowly building out my car. The plan is actually going to be middle of October to do the install. We're still getting in the process of getting everything ready. I don't want to ruin any surprise or anything like that. But I do have a lot. This is slowly stuff coming in. Apologize for the noise. My AC unit is kind of loud down here, but it's where I've been slowly stacking all my car parts, getting it ready. That way I have everything in one spot. Just want to open it up, inspect it, make sure everything's cool, and plus show you. This is slowly the Whipple supercharger kit for my car. I have a 2010 370Z. I still need to do a video to show you everything that my car has. It is a long list of modifications already. So this is just taking it to the next level. I have a lot of plans for this car. It's just time, money, mainly time and money, but there's still a lot of other things as well that I want to do because it'll support the Whipple supercharger kit. And this thing is like, you can see how much, I'll have to show you how much stuff is in this because it's like packed really well. And that's a big intercooler. So, that said, it says keep away from small children. The thin film may cling to nose and mouth and prevent breathing. Interesting, but holy crap, this thing is heavy. So there it is. That is the intercooler that is going on this car. Oh yeah, I cannot wait for this thing. Look at this beauty. Look at that. So the normal front bumper is not going to allow for the spacing of this intercooler. So I already ordered the Fast Intentions. I already ordered the Fast Intentions front, what do they call it, crash bar or whatever you want to call it. I ordered that from Fast Intentions today. So when that comes, that'll allow the space to put the intercooler, and it'll still keep me protected. That way I don't have to worry about, you know, front-on collisions, because you have to remove the stock crash bar in order to have enough room for the intercooler. But thankfully, Fast Intentions, it also has the flex plate for my car. They make a crash bar for this. So I'm gonna have that coming hopefully in another couple days. I'm not sure yet, but that's everything for now. As you saw, I have the Whipple supercharger, I have the flex plate, I'm still waiting on the torque converter, I'm still waiting on the rest of the supercharger kit. So it's gonna take time, just slowly things are gonna come in. The fuel system that's built into the supercharger kit and stuff like that. So for now, if you want to follow my build, hit that like and that subscribe. I do a lot of other unboxings. I like to do things with my dogs. That's what started this channel. So if this channel's not for you, hey, I get it, I understand. But at the same time, hopefully you enjoy seeing my life. I do a lot of other stuff. I'm trying to do more video. I eventually want to do blogging a little bit. It's just hard with work and everything else. But I definitely want to do more about my car and this build and record all of it. If things go right, me and Bobby, I might be doing the actual install video for this Whipple supercharger for everyone else in the future that ever builds this out. They'll know how to do it. Plus, you guys get to watch and enjoy the whole thing on my channel. So again, thank you for watching. Check out these other videos. It's whatever YouTube recommends to you, and take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.